bumagsak ang ekonomiya, paano namin mapapakain ang aming mga pamilya?
Negosyo o kalayaan, bayan o sarili, pumili ka!
My favorite line from the movie is, ang kalaban natin ay ang sarili lang natin. Because of the aggressiveness of Luna, the Filipinos were scared and doesn't know what to do at all, so they came up with a plan to fight the same race or same lahi, which is Filipino. We cannot fight ourselves and we cannot win a war if our system of cooperation and teamwork will fail because of our cowardness and traitorship. If we need to win a war, we must show our aggressiveness and determination to save our motherland, which is Philippines. So, in the end, the movie is really great for those who is open-minded and for those who really loves the Philippines. I believe the real enemy was not the American but ourselves. Because General Luna once said our greatest enemy is ourselves. Instead of the determination and cooperation of Filipinos to commit freedom worsened because of ourselves. The Americans are invading the Philippines until the Filipinos give up. This includes killing the lives of the innocent. The Philippine government are conducting a plan, while many want to negotiate for better profit. Several decades after the war, Aguinaldo denies his involvement in Luna's assassination, calling him his most brilliant and capable general. If I were the Philippine president during American colonization, I would unify revolutionary factions for coordinate resistance, seek international support for our independence, promote national identity through education, establish effective local governance, and develop local industries to reduce economic dependency, all aimed at securing sovereignty and resilient against colonial rules. Number The lessons I learned from the movie of General Antonio Luna that we right privilege to fight what is right. We have the freedom to speak and show what is right for our community and country. The moral lessons that I have learned from General Luna is that General Antonio Luna is a man of his words. This made me realize that I must stand up for my own principle and consider the welfare of others than my own interest. He clearly knew what he wanted, and that is the freedom from colonizers. And that's all.